what are the marketing funnel? Let's see. You have seen a variety of different advertisements for the same brand on the social media. Do you know why are you seeing different type of it? This is based on the action you took as a part of their marketing funnel. Alright. And converting leads into the paying customer is the goal of any marketing funnel. For example, you can use lead magnet funnel to build a list of interested lead or webinar funnel to sell your video course. And as you can see, funnel can be used to sell a product or services, build an email list, and so on to create funnel like this. Models or framework like IDA, attention, interest, desire, and action is being used. And this model helps to define the customer journey. Marketing funnels are designed to target customers with relevant content. And all these content should be the right time. Right? If any company is promoting the product, and the first time he promote the awareness campaign, and then when the people show interest in that campaign, then companies show the lead capturing ad to capture their detail. Then they convert them into the paying client. Alright, thank you.